what are you for real? well ዛሬ ደግሞ slang words እናያለን ወይም የአራዳ ቋንቋዎች የምንላቸው ማለት ነው so the first one is going to be yapper or a yapper oh my god I can't stand her she is such a yapper ካልኩኝ በቃ ዝም ብላ የምትለፈልፍ or ዝም ብሎ የሚለፈልፍ ሰው ከሆነ we call him a yapper. Second thing, here comes the alky. So alky is someone who is alcoholic. መጠጥ የሚጠጣ ሰው or ሱሰኛ እጪ ከሆነ we call him alky ብለን እንጠራቸዋለን. And the third thing is bougie. bougie የምንለው ቃል ደግሞ በጣም ቅንጡ የሆነ ሰው. Example, I can't date her because she's bougie ካልኩኝ በቃ እሷን afford ማድረግ አልችልም or ቅንጡ ስለሆነች ዴት አላረጋትም እያልኩኝ ነው. And the last one is going to be he got canned from his job. He got canned from his job. ከስራው ተባረረ. So canned ማለት ከስራ መባረር ነው. ከተመቻችሁ like and share አድርጉ. Peace out.